Hi, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to find some really good databases for your systematic review. Now, why is this important? With orientation and mobility, the kinds of articles you might be looking for are not just education articles. They could be psychology, they could be public health, they could even be social work. So I'm going to show you how to identify databases that you might use for your search. So what I'm going to do is go onto the library's webpage at library.pdx.edu and click on the word database and articles over to the right. Right now I'm going to be looking for databases in education, but you will be able to replicate this for other subjects as well. Over on the left-hand side, you'll notice that there is a by subject list that has a pull-down menu. So you can look for any subject you're interested in that we might be teaching here. I'm going to click on education. All of the databases for education will pop up, and then I have to take a look at them. So I'm just going to show you how I can analyze these databases by looking at the descriptions underneath each one. The first one is a video collection. It's called Academic Video. I'm going to ignore that one. Education Research Complete says it's about full-text articles from education research journals. That sounds really good. So I'm going to jot that one down on a piece of paper. Education Research Complete. The next one, it says ERIC, the EBSCO interface. And this one says it does include journal articles, also from 1966 on. So I'm going to use that one too, because the kinds of things I'm looking for systematic review are exactly that, journal articles. So ERIC, the EBSCO interface. I'm not going to use ERIC, the government interface, because I know, being a librarian, that that is just the same as the EBSCO interface, but it's a little bit different on the front end, same database. So I'll ignore that one. Gale Educators Reference. Let's see, does it have journals? It does have education journals, so I might jot that one down as well. And then I could take a look at the rest of them, but I know from looking at them before that these don't have academic journal articles in them, so I'm not going to be using them. So I've identified basically 3 different databases that I might use for my search in education. One is Gale's Educators Reference. One is the ERIC EBSCO interface. And one is Education Research Complete. So now what I'd like you to do is go to section 2 of the worksheet and identify some databases. But before you do that, I do want to show you up at the top, I told you that you might not want just education databases. So I'm going to click on the subject list, and I'll go, for example, to public health. Maybe my topic intersects with orientation and mobility, and it has a public health kind of idea. Here's a health reference center academic, and also PubMed. PubMed is one I'd probably use if it was a medical type condition that I was researching. For the other kinds of subjects, you have to think about your topic. What subjects might be covered? Maybe it's psychology. I'm going to click on psychology now just to show you. The most important database in psychology is PsycInfo. And you could do the same thing for any other topic, whether it be social work, sociology. So now is the time. Go back to the worksheet and figure out which of the databases you will probably be doing your search in for your systematic reviews.